5 simple life hacks you need to try to see how perfect they are. If you were searching for life hacks that are not just simple but super effective, here they are. Facing small challenges every day can be tedious. But if we know ways to solve them, we don't need to worry. No more lost earrings, dirty hands after Doritos, or noisy splashes in the bathroom at your boyfriend's place. 1. Separate glass CS without SC-RAT-CES. Glasses can stick together when you put one inside another. When you try to pull one out, it can sometimes leave a scratch. If you can't get the glasses separated, the simple solution is to pour cold water into the upper glass and place the lower one above a bowl with very hot water. The steam will help to separate the glasses easily. 2. A plastic bottle for a clogged toilet. A small disaster. The toilet is clogged and nothing will help. There is an old and very simple life hack that will save your money and nerves. Take a large plastic bottle. Cut off its bottom. Now put on gloves and pump the blockage through the pipe. Now, it works just great. 3. Paper C-clip or hairpin your tape. We bet that at least once in your life you struggled to find the end of the tape. This hack will stop this agony. Take a hairpin or a paper clip and fix it on the end of the tape. Now your life has become a little bit easier. If you still take this cover off from the top of your bottle of oil, we suggest you stop. Just take a fork or a toothpick and make some small holes. 5. Cooling your drink quickly. If you want your drink to get cold fast, this hack is for you. Wrap your drink with a wet napkin or paper towel and put it in the fridge. Leave it for 15 minutes. This hack will save your time and make your drink cold faster. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next one.